Just 6 months after doubling the corporate tax on refrigerator and air conditioner (AC) manufacturers, the government has now imposed additional value-added tax (VAT) on their products. As a result, prices are naturally increasing, placing added pressure on ordinary customers. On Monday afternoon, Dr. Salauddin Ahmed, economic advisor to the interim government, presented the proposed national budget for the 2025-2026 fiscal year. Earlier in the day, the proposal for the 7,89,999 crore taka budget was approved at a special meeting of the Advisory Council, chaired by the Chief Advisor. This is the 54th national budget of the country and the first budget of both the interim government and the economic advisor Dr. Salauddin Ahmed. Umerumban Kranti, Daily Sun.
For more updates, follow us on Facebook, subscribe our YouTube channel, get the latest update on www.daily-sun.com.